This is a new 2014 Ford Flex, powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, remote start, memory seats, a premium sound system, premium rims. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, side airbags, second and third row airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Don Gasgarth, Charlotte County Ford, is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3156 Tamiami Trail, Port Charlotte, Florida 33952.